From auto to home insurance and really everything in between, Shelter Insurance has you covered. We're joined by JT Finley from the Fayetteville office. Hey, JT.
Hey, JT.
How are y'all?
Good.
Great.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you think about an insurance agent, when people say that, what does that mean?
I think just a general term is people think an insurance agent should know all, be all about insurance and kind of have all the answers. It's really a little bit kind of different job than that, though.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're in fall, of course. We just really got over some storms here recently. If there's like some damage to our homes, is that something we can call you about?
Absolutely. So the agent really needs to be kind of the mediator between the company and the customer. So if you have any questions at all, whether it's claims or even policy questions, things like that, always call us first. And that's why we like Shelter, because we kind of think of like one big family. So we've got adjusters that are here in town and your agent here in town. So we like to be able to call us on anything. And obviously I can't answer every question about a claim or anything like that. That's where we get our adjuster involved, but our adjuster is going to have a 479 area code and be right here with you. So that's kind of how we like to operate as one big family.
Yeah, one big family, one big community right here in Northwest Arkansas. We talked about home insurance. What other kind of insurance do you provide there at Shelter?
So home auto life, so anything from your home, a couple autos to four-wheelers, boats, even small commercial things. So maybe a nail salon, things like that. So we do a wide spectrum, and then we also do life insurance.
Okay. So how did you get into the insurance business?
That's a good question. I don't really even know if I know that. So I went to college, wanted to be a football coach, realized in college that's not really something that I wanted to do. They kind of are on a short leash nowadays. And so coming out of college, knew some folks here in Fayetteville, and job opportunity and insurance kind of came up, and I would never turn back.
Yeah. What's something you love about being a part of the Shelter family?
Part of the Shelter family, I just love, again, I touched on earlier about how much of a kind of big family and community involvement it is. So, my direct manager is right here in town. I can call him, he can swing by my office any day. Adjusters that may be working on some of our clients' claims are right here in town. We can go directly to them. It's just a big family atmosphere.
Yeah.
Can you give some information? How can we contact you if we have more questions?
Yeah, so swing by my office anytime. I try to be there about 8 to 5:30 during the day, Monday through Friday. So I'm on College, 2142 North College is the address. I'm right across from Mermaid's Restaurant, right next to Cosmos. I share a parking lot, so nice. I smell it every day.
And, temptation.
Absolutely. My phone number is 479-521-4220. You can text that number as well, and then my email is just jfinley@shelterinsurance.com.
So we can grab lunch and come see you.
Absolutely. We'll go to Cosmos.
Yeah, that sounds great. Thanks so much for taking the time to visit with us. We appreciate
Absolutely.
it.
Good morning. Thank you.
Yeah.
Now I'm hungry.
Always, yes. Stay with us. We got more Good Day NWA coming up right after this.